Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some more live swatches with you guys. I've got Heroine NYC's newest collection called the Northern Lights. This collection is available right now on the Heroine NYC website, which I will leave linked down below. And there are 6 polishes in the collection. They're all 9-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. They're available right now and they retail for $55 for the entire collection, or you can buy each polish individually for $10 each. So let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. Up first is this polish called Ghost Town. This is a light medium gray cream polish. It does have a slight jelly-like consistency on that first coat and it is a tad bit sheer, but it does build up quite nicely. It was almost opaque in 2 coats, but I did need that 3rd coat to reach full opacity. All of these cream polishes in the collection dry pretty glossy, but with all of my swatches I added a glossy top coat. So here are 3 coats of Ghost Town. Up next is this polish called Stormcloud. I think this is the perfect name for this polish, and it's such a great color for the winter. It is a deep, dusty teal polish, and it was pretty pigmented. It was almost opaque in 1 coat, but I did need 2 to reach full opacity. So here are 2 coats of Stormcloud. Up next, I think is my favorite in the collection. This one is named Violetta, and this is like an indigo blue purple cream polish. This is quite similar to the 2022 Pantone Color of the Year, Very Perry, and I think this is going to be a very trendy shade this year. It applied perfectly in 2 easy coats, so here are 2 coats of Violetta. This next polish is called Purple Fiction, and I describe this as either a dark plum shade or a deep cranberry shade. This one again does have a very slight jelly-like consistency, so it applies a little lighter on that first coat and it deepens up quite a bit with that second coat. So here are 2 coats of Purple Fiction. And the last of the cream shades in the collection is called Crime Scene, and this is a bright cherry red cream polish. This one applied absolutely beautifully. I think it's the most opaque in the collection. It was almost a 1 coater, but I feel like that second coat definitely added a little more deepness and richness to that bright cherry red shade. So here are 2 coats of Crime Scene. And last but not least in the collection is Frost, which is a fun silver scattered holographic glitter topper. Here I applied it over Violetta from the collection, and I think this has the perfect glitter to clear base ratio for a glitter topper. So here's 1 coat of Frost over Violetta. Here's one more look at the swatches of the 6 polishes from Heroine NYC's newest collection, the Northern Lights. Again, these polishes are available right now on the Heroine NYC website, which I will leave linked down below. The entire set is available for $55, or you could purchase the individual polishes for $10 each. Again, these polishes are 9-free, cruelty-free, and vegan as well. And that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I'll leave some of my other Heroine NYC videos linked on your screen and down below as well. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!